What's up, folks? Nice morning update. May 8th, Monday. So we're a little higher. Overnight range 42 to 60. Not too crazy. This 63 to 67. 63 being Friday's high. If we open up above that, we test that 67. Really, that 67 is what I'm watching. We get above that, we should see 90. That 87.90 level. You could see a halt at 80, but I would assume they'll take it right up to 90. That's kind of where we're going to get lift off. And then we'd have that 42.06 half or quarter, which is the high over here, and then 8 half was the other high. We get above that, we should hit that 22 or 42.27 level. So that would be, if we were to scream up today, 42.27.30 would be my upside target. But we'll see if we get above 67 here, if they reject that, and then 90 would be, again, the first level. So we'll see if that any of that happens. As of now, we're at 60. We're still under, so we'll see. We get back below this 30 level, and then we'll start to get into the bearish mode. So really, 67 to 30 is anything in between that is kind of the. We get above 67, I'll be slightly bullish. Below 30, I'm slightly bearish. Below that, we'll get into that 4,006 level, 4,000, 4,006. Down below 30 is, I think that's kind of where we'll head. And then you see this 77.80 level was pretty good, and then you had the low here at 62 quarter. Your 50 days at 68 half, and you can see how we came down. They defended that and came back up. So we'll see what transpires today. No major news out, so we'll see if there's anything from overseas that comes back. We had a cash gap yesterday, big one. We also had kind of a dueling gap here, and I'll show you where the prior day's gap was not filled because this candle was above it. So it filled this portion of it, but it didn't fill this bottom. So there's kind of a double gap there in that 82 area, 83 area in SPX. But this is your cash gap from Friday. So 84 to 61. You have this guy up here, 164, 167. I don't think I'd worry about that little guy. And then 32 to 27. Here's your 50-day at 41. That's another number I would look at for SPX. As of now, again, ES is up 10. NASDAQ's down 5, and Dow's probably leading the bunch here with up 100. Euro still same story, no story, just grind. Again, here's that trend line. We're still above it. This is still in a forward motion or a bullish motion. So it's up 100 and whatever, 50 ticks today. Nothing spectacular. Apple's getting weak. So we'll see. Tilt is not having a good morning. So that's down almost a full point today. So I would keep an eye on that. As of today, wholesale inventories, probably not a whole lot. Goolsby, who the fuck that is, I don't know. And then senior loan survey. I don't know if that's going to, whatever. Then we have a Fed speaker Tuesday morning, 2, and then Williams speaks at 12. So we'll see about that. Then Wednesday and Thursday is really the meat of the week, CPI and PPI. So we'll see about how that goes. I like how Bullard and these guys are going to do a panel at 7:45 p.m. on Friday. That's going to be fun. So anyway, Wednesday, Thursday is kind of, so I don't know if we're going to see a consolidation Monday, Tuesday, or if they kind of whip us around a little bit. I have no idea. As of now, this is fairly low volume. I think Relvol's at like 70, which is fairly low, 71. So we're just, I don't know what to, again, I'd like to see an open above 63 or the price action above 67 to really get a good going. I would imagine that there's stops above 67 that should take us to at least 90, and then above 90 we get to that 227, 230. That's going to be where really everybody gets off sides, or they just take it and go. we'll see. Anyway, stay safe. I will be in the room some of the day, and then no video tomorrow morning or Wednesday morning, as I will be unavoidably detained.